Today we're going to find the surface area of a rectangular prism from an item that we can find in our everyday lives. Here I have a Nutri-Grain box, and we're going to find the surface area of it. Now if we actually look at this rectangular prism here, we have 6 faces. The one in the front, which is the same as the one in the back, the one on the side, which is the same as the one on this side, and then the top and the base, which are exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it inside out so we can see the net, and we can label out the sides. Now if I open this up, I'm going to have a net like this. Now I'm actually going to reverse it first so that we can label certain parts of it. So I still have the same rectangular prism, just backwards. So if I look at it this way, this is my length. My width is the thickness of the box, which will be right here. And then I have my height over here. Okay, so when I open it up to see the net, I can find the area of each face based on the information that I just wrote down. I know that this side here is actually the same as this side here, or this face here. So when I do this, this part was the width, this is also the width. Right? Since this is the height, this rectangle has the same height as this rectangle. This rectangle here has the same height as this rectangle. And this rectangle has the same height as that. Now, this width is also found here. But if I actually look at this rectangle here, this rectangle has the same width as this rectangle here. So this is W here. And this is also W here. Because this face or rectangle is the same as this rectangle here. Now, this length is the same as this length here because these two faces were opposite faces from the rectangular prism. This length then matches with this length, and then this length is the same as this length here. So now we have the length and the width of every single rectangle of this net. So we can write down each area of each face within each rectangle. So this rectangle here will have a length times height as its area. This one will have width times height. This one will have length times height. This will have width times height. This will be length times width. And this will be length times width. So, if I actually take all these areas and write them out, I had faces that had a surface area of combined of width times height, length times width, plus length times width, plus length times height, that's this one here, plus length times width, plus width times height, and then plus length times height. Oops, sorry about that. So, if I take all of these and combine like terms, I have 2 times width times height, plus length times width, and length times width here, plus 2 times length times width, plus 2 times length times height. So based on this idea, we have just came up with the formula to find the surface area of a rectangular prism.